Cancellation and amendment. Cancellation is eliminating a reservation that had been done by a guest with the hotel, while amendment is a change in the reservation. The change can be regarding any one or all of the following factors: date of arrival, date of departure, that is duration of stay, type of room, number of rooms, number of person, food plan. Cancellation code. When a cancellation is accepted, a cancellation code is developed and given to the guest, which can be used as a reference in future. Let us take a hypothetical cancellation code like 0980210A S153. The first three digits, 098, represents a particular day of the year. Here, 098 stands for the 98th day of the year, that is 8th April. The following two digits, 02, stands for the year, that is 2002. The sixth and the seventh digits, 10, together stands for the property code, which is applicable for chain hotels only. Next two characters, AS, are the initials of the reservation assistant who takes the cancellation. The last three digits, 153, is the serial number of cancellation, which is maintained in the cancellation register kept in the reservation section. Cancellation procedure in diary system of reservation. Hotels following the diary reservation system has a certain procedure for cancellation. As soon as a cancellation request is received, a cancellation code is developed and informed to the guest. The cancellation form is then filled up and stapled with the RR form. The cancellation code is written clearly on the cancellation form and kept in the cancellation file together with the RR form. The entry in the hotel diary is cancelled by drawing a line across and is marked as cancelled. ALC is updated and then RSB if required. The cancellation code is noted down in the remarks column of the hotel diary along with the signature of the reservation assistant. The cancellation register is then filled in. Cancellation procedure in Whitney reservation system. Hotels following the Whitney reservation system, a different procedure is followed for cancellation. As soon as the cancellation request is received, a cancellation code is developed and informed to the guest. The cancellation form is then filled in and the cancellation code is mentioned on it. The original Whitney slip is then taken out and marked as cancelled. Cancellation form, RR form, and the original copy of the Whitney slip along with the duplicate copy are stapled together and kept in the cancellation file. Cancellation register is then filled in. DCC is updated and subsequently RSB if required. Amendment procedure in diary reservation system. To make an amendment in the diary reservation system, the following procedure is carried out. As soon as an amendment request is received, the room availability position is checked by referring RSB and subsequently ALC. If the amendment request can be accepted, then an amendment form is filled and kept in the RR form file. The previous entry in the diary is cancelled by drawing a line across and marking as amended. A reservation assistant signs on it. A fresh entry is made in the diary as per the amendment. ALC is updated followed by RSB if required. Amendment procedure in Whitney reservation system. To make an amendment in the Whitney reservation system, the following procedure is carried out. As soon as an amendment request is received, the room availability position is checked by referring RSB and subsequently DCC. If the amendment request can be accepted, then an amendment form is filled in. Original witness slip and the RR form are stapled together. A new witness slip is made as per the amendment in duplicate. Original witness slip is placed on the Whitney rack after mounting on a carrier in an alphabetical order. The duplicate Whitney slip is stapled with the amendment form and the RR form and then placed in the RR form file in alphabetical order. DCC is then updated followed by RSB if required.